Hi everyone! Welcome to your favorite channel. I warmly welcome all of you here. In one of my previous episodes, I shared some ideas about what to write in a blank notebook. That video included about 22 ideas. Since it would make the video too long, I didn't cover all the ideas in one episode. In today's video, I'll share the remaining ideas on how you can decorate your empty notebook. So, let's get started. First, let me give you a quick overview of what's in this video. I hope these ideas will inspire you and bring you joy as you create your own version of them. Trust me, the happiness of creating something yourself is beyond words. You'll understand the feeling when you try it. In the last video, I started with About Me and went up to Things I Love to Do. In this episode, I'll begin with cute doodle ideas. If you have a blank page, drawing some doodles in your free time is such a delightful activity. Often, we don't know what to draw, so we end up scribbling random things. Those random creations can become wonderful pieces of art. For example, I'm drawing my favorite weather icons as doodles in my notebook. You can draw anything you love: flowers, birds, cartoon characters, or anything that brings you joy. Two, your favorite sketches. This is entirely personal and reflects your unique taste. For me, I love butterflies, so I've sketched a butterfly on one side of the page and my favorite rose flower with leaves on the other. I created this sketch in my own way, and I absolutely love how it turned out. You can personalize your sketchbook similarly by drawing what you love. Three, habits. Habits define a lot about us. Write down the habits that make you happy, such as reading books, traveling, spending time with yourself, listening to your favorite music, or meditating. I've listed my habits here and highlighted some in green to mark them as my evergreen habits. Four, favorite foods. You can include a page about your favorite foods. I've added mine, such as black forest cake, chocolate cake with cherries and strawberries, milkshakes, ramen, coffee with honey, pancakes, soups, and rice balls. I've also used stickers to decorate this section, as I feel they make the page look more creative and beautiful. Five, things to buy. Who doesn't love shopping? Everyone has a personal wish list of things they want to buy. Dedicate a page in your diary to list your most wanted items. Six, a mini calendar. No notebook is complete without a calendar. Add a cute mini calendar for 2025. You can draw it by hand or stick it using stickers. I've added small bear stickers to make my calendar page look adorable. Isn't it cute? Seven, savings goals. To achieve your shopping goals, focus on savings. Create a page to track your savings for the weeks or months ahead. I've drawn a piggy bank and coins, with spaces to note the amount and date of each deposit. It's both fun and motivating to see your progress. 8. Life rules. To live a balanced and healthy life, it's essential to follow some rules. Use a page in your diary to write down 7 rules you want to follow in your life. I think it's important to take this seriously for a healthy and productive lifestyle. 9. Morning and evening routines. Set your morning and evening routines for a healthy lifestyle. Include productive habits like meditation, self-care, skincare, reading books, and positive thinking. I've used sun and moon drawings to make this page more eye-catching. Ten. Favorite quotes. Dedicate a page to your favorite quotes. Use your favorite colors and decorate the page with drawings or stickers. I've added a sticker of a horse ride, symbolizing life as a race. Hash 11. Grocery or shopping list. You can also use a page for a grocery list. I've listed foods like vegetables, fruits, proteins, grains, dairy products, and essential medicines. This acts as a daily health reminder for me. 12. New Year Resolutions 2025. Each year, we set goals for ourselves. Write down what you want to achieve in 2025. For instance, I've planned to see this year as 12 new chapters and 365 new chances to learn and grow. 13. A to Z justification. This is a fun activity where you describe yourself with words starting from A to Z. I've already completed mine. And it was so much fun. 14. A letter to yourself. Finally, write a letter to your future self. I wrote one and discovered a different version of me while doing it. Decorate this page with stickers and mark positive words for motivation. That's all for today's video. I hope these ideas inspire you. If you like them, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the channel. Bye!